let's make some Snickers protein cups. Firstly, we're going to take 6 rice cakes that you had chilling in your pantry and crush them up. Combine with a scoop of your favorite vegan protein powder. I chose to use a Ghost Pumpkin Spice vegan protein powder, and add 2 to 3 cups of your favorite peanuts. I chose some sweetened peanuts since this is a sweeter dessert. Gently combine with a spoon. Next, we're going to work on our wet ingredients. You'll add about a ½ cup's worth of smooth and salty peanut butter. You can use crunchy if you prefer that extra crunchy peanut butter texture. Add a ½ cup of water in addition to 3/4 cup of your favorite vegan yogurt, ideally unsweetened. Combine with a spoon or whisk. I like to then add 2 tablespoons of vegan honey or your favorite maple syrup. Add the wet ingredients to the dry, and with that same spoon, combine until all of the ingredients are homogeneous. I like to do a little taste test. You can adjust for salt. Some Himalayan sea salt might be welcome here, depending on how salty your peanut butter is. In a muffin tray, ideally a silicone muffin tray because it makes it super easy to pop these out, you'll want to add the filling to the muffin mold all the way to the top since we're not going to bake these. Then set them in the freezer to chill for about 1 to 2 hours because we're going to add a chocolate coating. So therefore having this section frozen will make it super easy to have frozen chocolate bites made very quickly. Add 1 to 2 cups of your favorite vegan chocolate and a tablespoon of coconut oil and melt in your microwave at 30-second intervals. In total, I did this 3, maybe 4 times just to make sure that your chocolate is super smooth and ready to use. Every time you take it out, make sure to agitate the chocolate so it continues to melt. Once the chocolate is super melted and glossy, we're going to pop out our Snickers protein cup base, and gently with a spoon and a fork, we will cover it in chocolate. Lay the filling on a fork, and you want to gently add the bottom to the base of that melted chocolate. With a spoon, drizzle it on top. You can drizzle until it's fully covered or just a little covered. This is entirely up to you. Doing it anyway is just fine. Set them on a parchment paper. Proceed until all of the Snickers protein cups are drenched in chocolate. You can optionally choose not to cover them in chocolate. However, if you want to have the proper Snickers protein cup, I highly recommend it. But you can leave it just as is, like is shown here if you prefer. Once those are frozen and chilled for about 20 minutes, they're ready to consume, and they'll chill in your freezer for up to 6 months. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.